Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to sync Google Calendar with Slack. This is a great way to stay updated on meetings, reminders, and schedule changes directly inside your Slack workspace. Now, let's get started. On your Google Calendar dashboard or in your Slack dashboard, all we need to do first is click More on the left part of the dashboard. As you can see, More has 3 dots like this. Then click Tools, Create, and find Workflows and Apps. Once we're here, we just need to search for Google Calendar or New Google Calendar Event. We simply click this option. Now, once we're here, we just have to click Apps on the left part of the tools. You will see again Google Calendar. Just click Install so that it will install on your Slack. Now, add to Slack, and then we just have to click the workspace or the account that we want to connect. Here, we just have to click Allow so that it will sync. Now, choose the account, the Google Calendar account that you are using, so that it will sync. Then, select All so that it can access the calendar. As you can see, now there's our Google Calendar, or Slack. It is now synced. We can now use Google Calendar on our Slack, and that's how you sync Google Calendar with Slack. With this simple integration, we can stay on top of our schedule without constantly switching apps.